We'll guide you through how to fix a black iPad screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you can't then go and use it and you may be thinking it's broken. Don't worry, there's some fixes we can try. So let's go and get right into this. First of all, you want to go onto the side and you want to go and find the side power button. What you want to do is start holding that down. Hold it down for 10 seconds. Hopefully within that time, you should go and see the Apple icon and it will go and start. It may have just been completely powered down. If that solves the problem, then great. However, if it doesn't, don't worry. What we can try doing is performing a forced restart. So what you want to do is press the volume increase button, then decrease, and then hold down the side button. Do that all consecutively. What you want to do is go and hold down this side power button for around 15 to 20 seconds. Within that time frame, you should go and see the Apple icon appear, and hopefully that will go and have the problem solved. Hold down the button for 10 to 15 seconds, and within that time frame, the Apple icon should go and appear, and the screen should then go and light up, hopefully solving the problem. If it still doesn't, then what we're going to try doing is you want to go and grab your iPad's charging cable, and you want to go and simply go and plug it in for 10 to 20 minutes. Ideally, the longer the better to go and give it a good chance to charge. And then after you've done that, you can go and repeat those same steps. First of all, you can just try starting it up by holding down the side button. And then if that doesn't work after holding it for 10 to 15 seconds or so, then what you want to try doing is doing a forced restart. So you can go and press the volume increase button, the decrease, and you hold this down again. And then hopefully it will go and turn on after you've held this down. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Hopefully it solved your problem.